Hey, welcome back to Crazy BYT. Today we're diving into something super fun, turning any photo into Ghibli-style art with a little help from ChatGPT.
Oh, awesome. So we're basically making our selfies or travel pics look like they're straight out of a Studio Ghibli film, right?
Yep, exactly. It's like, taking your everyday photo and transforming it into a magical scene with that, well, dreamy Ghibli aesthetic.
I love that idea. It's like, you ever wonder if your ordinary park selfie could suddenly become a sprawling tale of wonder?
Indeed, for sure. So the first step is pretty simple. You pick a photo that you love. It could be a selfie, your pet's favorite snap, or a gorgeous
Mm-hmm.
landscape.
Right. So it really starts with choosing something personal that you really connect with.
Yeah, exactly. Now then comes step two, where you ask ChatGPT to describe your chosen photo, but in a Studio Ghibli style. Imagine, describing a photo of you sitting on a park bench, like really painting a picture with words.
Oh, and that's cool. So instead of saying, I'm sitting on a bench, it would say something like, a gentle scene of a soul at rest beneath a blossoming sakura tree. Is that what you mean?
Exactly. Right on. It's about capturing that whimsical and dreamy vibe. Think soft pastel colors, magical lighting, even a little animal friend in the scene.
Yeah, like adding a curious cat or a soft glow from the sunlight, right?
Exactly. Then, in step three, you convert that descriptive magic into an AI art prompt. Essentially, you ask ChatGPT to take the enchanting description and um, reframe it as a detailed prompt that tools like Midjourney or DALL-E can understand.
Oh, so it's like translating your creative vision into a language that AI art tools can uh,
Hmm?
work with?
Yeah, exactly. You'd get something along the lines of create an illustration in the style of Studio Ghibli, depicting a person on a wooden bench under a blooming sakura tree with soft pastel hues, a gentle cat watching, and sunlight filtering through branches to create a dreamy atmosphere.
That sounds so detailed. But sometimes, doesn't this process make you wonder if the AI might miss the finer nuances of personal memories tied to the photo?
That's a good point. Yeah, I mean, while the prompt captures the general vibe, it might not perfectly reflect the personal emotion of your original moment. It's like, sometimes the magic can get a little generalized.
Right, but I think that's where the refinement comes into play, isn't it?
Exactly. Once you've got your AI art tool working, be that Midjourney, DALL-E, or Artbreeder, you upload your photo along with the prompt. See, the tool then fuses the essence of your photo with that Ghibli-style magic.
Got it. So essentially, it's a creative blend, like mixing a classic photo with a sprinkle of animated fairy dust.
Yeah, yup. Um, and step four is seeing that transformation in action. You get to watch your photo morph into this, like, enchanted canvas, full of rich colors and a whimsical vibe.
That sounds amazing. Seeing something ordinary become extraordinary.
Now, if you look at step five, there's a neat trick. If the colors feel too bold or the lighting isn't quite right, you can go back to ChatGPT for tips. For example, you might ask, how can I make the colors softer and the lighting more, magical?
Oh, so ChatGPT is not just for the description, but also your creative advisor?
Hmm? Exactly. It might suggest you use soft pastel tones, lower contrast, and subtle glow effects to really nail that dreamy Ghibli vibe.
I like that. It's like having your very own creative consultant ready to tweak things until it's just right.
Totally. Then comes the final step, step six, combining and enjoying the final creation. You can, um, even make collages, print your art, frame it, or share it online. Whatever sparks joy.
It's like you've taken your moment, heightened it, and turned it into something you can proudly showcase.
Yes, exactly. It's personal art next level style. Plus, it's a great way to blend creativity with technology, making tech less intimidating and more fun.
Totally. I'm curious though. What if someone feels the AI art tool doesn't capture the full essence of the original photo? Wouldn't that be a bit of a letdown?
That's a fair question. Yeah, and I mean, there's always that risk. But here's the thing, the process is iterative. If the result isn't quite capturing the vibe, you can always go back in, adjust the prompt, refine the description, or tweak the art parameters. It's like fine-tuning a musical instrument until the sound's just right.
Ah, I see. So it's not a one-shot deal. It's more of an ongoing creative dialogue with both ChatGPT and the art tool.
Hmm? Right, exactly. And that iterative process is what makes it so engaging. It empowers you to experiment, learn, and eventually land on that magical representation that feels so personal.
I love that. Turning the creative process into a kind of interactive art experiment.
Yep, it's like mixing flavors in a gourmet recipe. You start with a base ingredient, your photo, and then layer in descriptive elements, artistic flair, and a bit of tech wizardry.
Yeah. Mhm.
And then you adjust the seasoning with ChatGPT's fine-tuning tips until uh you get that perfect dish, you know?
Ha, that's a perfect analogy. Cooking up some visual art magic. I like that.
Right. And it shows that creativity is like infinite. With tools like ChatGPT and these AI art generators, you have an arsenal of techniques to bring your imagination to life, even if you're not an artist by training.
Totally agree. And I guess it makes creativity accessible to everyone. Even if you just have a phone and a favorite photo, you can dive headfirst into this Ghibli style transformation.
Absolutely. Yeah. So to wrap it up, choose your photo, get ChatGPT to give it that Ghibli spin with a vivid description, turn that description into a crisp art prompt, run it through your preferred AI art tool, then refine until it's just spot on, and finally enjoy your very own piece of animated magic.
That sounds like a fun and accessible creative hack. I mean, who wouldn't want a little Ghibli magic in their life?
Definitely. Exactly. It's about unleashing creativity with a dash of tech power. Thanks for hanging out and exploring this creative journey with me today. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.